Play Maryland, it's always a good game. I just felt like that that I had to give them my all, and that's what I did, and the results came.
You had a fantastic game tonight, and at the end I saw you had your head down. What was going through your mind as the final seconds ticked off this one?
Well, I was just frustrated that we didn't get the win, because I know we all gave it our all, and when you lose games that you give everything in, it's tough.
Did you feel like you had to adjust your game at all, knowing that HMP couldn't be on the floor with you?
No, I just do what I do every game. Crashing glass, go hard, set screens, everything that we need to do.
Tougher knowing that you guys were that close, just a few more of those shots had fallen in the second half. You were right there, weren't you?
Yeah, like I said, it's frustrating when the shots aren't going down, but when you're a shooter, you still just gotta let it go. Just trust in your shot, trust teammates.
What do you think's next? What's Sunday going to be like, do you think, for you guys?
I'm not sure. Not really concerned about that. We feel like that we deserve a spot in the tournament. If not, that's up to the committee. But we're just trying to get better every day.
Where do you feel like you've grown the most since you came in pretty late for most freshmen? You missed the summer and went right into workouts. I mean, where do you feel like you've come the farthest step in your development?
Back in high school, I was more of a big man, and in Indiana, they emphasized developing players, and I feel like I became a player more than just a big man.
How tough were those first few weeks for you? Just because you weren't here with the guys during the summer, you probably felt like you were behind them for a while. I mean, at what point did you feel like you finally caught up and you understood everything that the coaching staff wanted you to do?
I mean, by the time we started practice, everybody, because all the guys on the team are great brothers, and they made sure that I got everything down before practice started. So by the time practice got started, I was pretty solid on everything we had to do.
How beneficial